Oh, we know why my floor pans rusted out now. So when guys always ask why their floor pans rust out on the Mustang, it's because their fresh air vent that goes on the bottom side of the cowl allows water to come in. But what happens is it gets rusted out around the ring and also around the flap that opens and closes on the inside. So this thing opens and closes. It's a little rusted. It goes like that. Now that I have everything removed from the front and the back of the dash, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the cowl since it's on top. I had ground out all the spot welds. I knocked out the spot welds on the firewall as well on the sides. Ran an air hammer around to separate the metal from what I want to keep and what I do not want. In order to remove my firewall and my cowl all as one piece, I'm gonna take my cutoff wheel and cut it right here, because the new firewall butts up to the end of these floor pans and this transmission tunnel. Alrighty, last time talking about the cowl before I put my new one in. But so what happens is dirt and debris gets caught around these cones, around these collars. And with that debris and that dirt trapped up like that, all this dirt and debris trapped up, causes it to rust. Couldn't take everything all off at once, so I just was able to take off the top part first. Alrighty, I got the upper and the lower cowl out, and I also have the firewall completely out. You can see completely into the vehicle. Next, we just got to throw the new ones together. Threw the new pieces on there just to show you what it looks like going back together. Obviously, it looks the same, but that's pretty much it. Got to do some more prep work, and we'll keep you updated.